Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the Bostonian Hotel in Boston, Massachusetts. This luxury boutique hotel, located near the city's historic North End, features classic New England architecture. Situated across from Faneuil Hall and Quincy Market, the hotel offers easy access to iconic landmarks such as Freedom Trail, Boston Harbor, and the bustling downtown area. As we entered, we were welcomed by the warm and charming lobby, which features plush seating areas with a warm fireplace, which creates an inviting and upscale atmosphere. Let's take a look at room 539 here at the Bostonian. This is a king room. So as soon as you walk in, on the left side is this vanity where they have the coffee. And right across from it is this closet. It's a pretty spacious closet. Has a safe up there, an iron and ironing board. And you already have our backpacks and our small luggage here, but you can fit a lot more stuff here, so it's pretty spacious. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It has a single sink with this nicely framed mirror. And here's the products they use here. There's the toilet and a very spacious shower. Now let's make our way to the bedroom. Let's close this door up. Here is the king-size bed. Let's see if there's plugs here. So there's a plug on each lamp, one on this side and another plug on the other lamp. And there's a menu here. I believe this is for breakfast, so you can place your order and leave it on your doorknob and they'll pick it up and get your order ready for you in the morning. This is a very spacious room because there's a nice little lounging area here with a big screen TV. And in this cabinet, there's some, let's see what's in here. There's nothing in these drawers, but there's the ice bucket and a couple cups there. And over here, they have snacks for purchase. So once you take these out, they'll charge you because they're all on sensors. So there's the snacks, and here are the drinks in the small fridge. You can actually ask for another fridge, but they're going to charge you $20 to store all your items in there. And there's a nice little lounging chair here with an ottoman, an office desk, and here is the menu for the restaurant here. Oh, it's under the glass, but it's for the North 26th Restaurant and Bar where you can order all this stuff for room service. And let's take a look at our view. It's kind of dark here already, so it's kind of hard to see what's out there, but there's some buildings here. And there's a little alleyway right here. So that's a quick tour of our king room here at the Bostonian in Boston, Massachusetts. North 26 Restaurant and Bar is the hotel's signature dining venue, which has great views of Faneuil Hall and downtown Boston. It offers a contemporary American dining experience with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. It's open for breakfast and lunch from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Thursday through Tuesday and until 3 p.m. on Wednesday. Dinner is served from 5 to 9 p.m. on weekdays and until midnight on Saturday and Sunday. We did not get a chance to eat here, but the bar was lively during the Saturday evening. Let's check out the fitness center. It's a small fitness center, but let's see what they have here. So the towels are over there. Some headphones. There's a water dispenser. I don't think there's water in there, so they have complimentary bottles of water. They have some light fitness equipment here. Here's the 2 ellipticals and 2 treadmills. There's a single bench with some dumbbells, and they have a nice cable machine. It's a small fitness center, but it'll get the job done. Those looking to be more active can use the complimentary bikes located by the main entrance. Complimentary EV charging for hotel guests is also available by the valet area. If you're looking to host an event, the Bostonian's historic charm serves as a great backdrop for hosting a small meeting or a major conference. Our stay at the Bostonian was just okay. We liked the hotel's historic charm, our spacious room, and its prime location, which places you within walking distance of Boston's top attractions, including the North End, Faneuil Hall, and Quincy Market, all without the hassle of driving. However, we probably wouldn't stay here again because the Canopy by Hilton is next door, which we liked better. If you're interested in seeing our review of the Canopy, click on the link above or in the description. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @BevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.